Hello students, today we'll see fast multiplication of matrices. Fast multiplication means it will take less number of operations, rather multiplications, than the usual method. So here matrix A is 1, 2, 0, 1, matrix B is 3, 1, 2, 4, and we have to find the product of these two matrices A into B. Now we know the usual method of matrix multiplication. This requires first row of A with first column of B. So this will give you the entry 7, and again the first row second column, this will give you the entry 9. Then second row first column will give you 2, and second row second column, this multiplication will give you 4. So in this regular method there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This requires 8 multiplications in order to compute the product A into B. Now we'll see some other method, namely it is called as Strasson's algorithm. And Strasson's algorithm defines these 7 matrices M1 to M7, and you can see in each MI there is only one multiplication required. Okay, after computing these MIs, we'll find the matrices Cij by using these formulae, and in computing Cij there is no multiplication required. So in each MI there requires only one multiplication, so total we require 7 multiplications, and we have seen earlier that regular method requires 8 multiplications. So Strasson's algorithm is using one multiplication less than the regular method. So this is the fast multiplication of matrices. Okay, now this matrix A 1, 2, 0, 1, we will call these entries as A11, A12, A21, A22. This is your first row, second row, first column and second column. So A21 is the element in second row and first column, that is why we call it as A21. Similarly, we call the elements of B as Bij's. Now by using the formula given by Strasson's algorithm, we compute M1 to M7 by substituting the appropriate values in this formula, and we get the values of M1 to M7 like this. Now we find Cij's by using this formula C11, C12, C21 and C22, and we place this values Cij's in matrix C. Means first row first column entry of C, that is C11 is 7. Then first row second column means C12 which is 9. Then second row first column which is 2. So C21 is 2. And second row second column, that is C22 is 4. And A into B is this matrix 7, 9, 2, 4, which is same as the matrix that we have computed using the regular method. So Strasson's algorithm can be used for multiplication of 2 by 2 matrices, and it is fast multiplication as it requires one multiplication less than the regular method. Thank you.